Good evening. My name is Lucas McGuire. I am a meteorologist who graduated from the University of Missouri, 2021. I am just starting up this YouTube channel, and this is kind of the first test video. Make sure I can get everything uploaded correctly. Um, and so, in order to do so, I am going to give a brief current weather condition and kind of the next day or so weather forecast so that we can hopefully put this out there. And by the time anyone really probably sees this, won't be useful information, but it will be useful for me to know that we can upload these videos. So, right now, our temperature here in Columbia, Missouri, where I'm located, the temperature is 39 degrees. Our humidity is at 95%, which is kind of what we would expect with all the rainfall that we've seen this evening. Speaking of that rainfall, if we look at radar, it's really moving out right now of the area. The majority of it, the heaviest of it, has moved out of the state, even into Illinois, but we can see some radar echoes still lingering behind here in Missouri. So don't totally expect all the rain to be gone for the night. So all this rain was brought by this low pressure system, which is associated by a warm front and a cold front. And tonight, about midnight, we expect the center of low pressure to be around the northern Missouri area. And we still see these greens are rain and some rain snow mix up in northern Missouri and up into Iowa, and some snow even for our friends in Iowa. And so that's overnight tonight. We expect by about 6 a.m. that the system has moved off to the east and where it's centered over about central Illinois. And we expect that all rain, all precip with the system to have moved on. Now, as the day goes on, we should clear some of the clouds out. But if we look to our west, we see another low pressure system that is approaching, and we have a little bit of precip that we may want to look out for on Sunday night. And so Sunday night, maybe starting about 6 o'clock or even early evening, we could see some rain start to fall associated with this warm front and low pressure system. But it's not going to last long. It's not going to amount to much. As that system quickly moves off to the east by Monday morning. Now, our temperatures are going to stay fairly cool through the night. We could see as low as 35 tonight. And a quick note: this is actually my website that I have this information on that I've created through Google Sites. Um, and it's named Central Mo Weather and Forecast. Uh, I'm located in Columbia, and I sometimes uh, post some forecast discussions. I try to at least do a general discussion whenever I do make these forecasts, so that people would know what to expect if they've seen the forecast. Now, tomorrow is Sunday. We would expect a high of 50, especially if you see the sun come out. You could see these warmer areas. If not, you might see just mid to upper 40s, and a low of 33. We see that chance of rain increase overnight. And I have this text bar here that makes it a little more difficult to see, but our winds do shift through the day on Sunday. Overnight tonight, we see our wind shift from east to southeast, and then actually by Monday, we see a shift to westerly winds. But then to finish out our 5 day forecast, which is what I forecast on my website, is On Monday, we have high of 46, low of 36. And that's going to stay kind of the normal, especially for this time of year. That's pretty standard temperatures. And uh, we see a clear night on the 5th where our temperatures do dip into the mid to upper 20s. But other than that, fairly seasonable. But I think we do see a bit of warm up as we move beyond that. So I'm going to upload this and hopefully it works out and I don't have to record again. Thank you for watching.